Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a IBM Selectric here on the bench. This happens to be a World Trade machine, probably sold somewhere besides the United States. You can tell that usually because of the key layout here, and this IBM emblem doesn't have any words on it. Should say Selectric 3, and a couple other clues like the symbols here on the margin release are different than the American version. But what I want to show on this is it also has the case latches are different. Most Selectrics 2s and 3s have a latch like this on the inner, on this portion right in here. They have a latch like this, and you flick this to open the case. These World Trade machines do not have that. They have a little stub down here that you have to stick a screwdriver in and then release it. So let's see if I can get this on camera. It's way down in here. Very difficult to see. There's the tip of it right down there. Still can't see it. I'm not going to be able to get my camera in here, I don't think, to be able to see that. It's not showing up on camera, but it's right down there. So what you need to do is get flashlight so you can see in there, and then stick this right in the groove of that lever, which I see now it's not showing up here because the angle is wrong. There it is, right there. Right there. And so what you need to do is stick a screwdriver in the slot there. Stick a screwdriver in the slot from up here and flick that way. That one didn't work. Let's try it again. There it goes. And that flicks it. That flicks it open. So the other side here also has that same latch, but even more difficult to see. So I don't know if I'm even going to try to get down in here with the camera on this one, because it's hard to see even without the camera. So let's see if I can find it down in here. I don't know, pretty. Okay, I think I see it. There it is. Okay, got it. I don't know why they had to put those kind of latches in this machine. Not sure what the theory was behind that, but so we'll be able to open this up now. Show you what those look like. So that's what it looks like right there. And you have to stick your screwdriver down in that slot right there, and then manipulate as needed. But like I said, I'm going to put these brackets in this machine so we don't have to worry about that anymore on this particular machine. So that is my video of the day on this particular IBM Selectric 3. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.